We have discussed the types of partnership or kinds of partnership. There are four types of partnership. One is called general partnership. Second is called limited liability partnership (LLP). Third is partnership at will, and fourth is partnership, particular partnership. Four types of partnership. Now I am discussing types of partners. Types of partners and types of partnership are different. Types of partners are four types of partners. First one, active partner or working partner. Active and working same. Sleeping partner or dormant partner same. Nominal partner and quasi partner. Limited partners. Minors as a partner. Sub partner. Partner profit only. And secret partners. There are 8 types of partners. I am discussing one by one regarding each type of partners. First, active partner or working partner. Such a partner contribute capital and active part in the management of the business firm. His liability or this type of partner's liability for the firm's debt unlimited, and each partner can take part in the management decision, and their liability unlimited. This is the active partner or working partner. Sleeping partner. Sleeping partner are those partners who contribute capital, but not take part in the management. Just contribute capital. Liability of this type of partners is unlimited for firm's debt. They share profit and bears all losses. This is the sleeping partner or dormant partner. Next one, nominal partner or quasi partner. Nominal partners not contribute capital, not take part any management of the business activity, just lends his name for the firm's benefit. This type of partner's liability is unlimited for the firm's debt, but this type of partners not share of profit or bear losses, but liable for business debt. This is the nominal partner. Limited partners. Such type of partners, liability for business debt limited up to the contribution his capital. Their liability, they take, this type of partners not take part in the management. Their liability limited up to the contribution of the capital. Such type of partners shares profit from the business profit, but not take part in the active management of the business firm. Minor as a partner. Who is minor? A person whose age not completed, who is not completed 18 years age is a minor. Minor cannot take any contract with other person. So minor cannot a partner of a business firm, but with the consent of other partners, minor become a partner in the firm. Liability of the minor limited up to his share of profit or contribution of capital. The minor cannot take part in the management of the business firm. Next one, sub-partner. Sub-partner, who is a sub-partner? The third person. He is a third person with the third person with whom a partner agrees to share. A partner agrees to share his profit desert to the firm. Desert from the firm. He cannot take part in the management and his liability is, he is not liable for business debt. I repeat again, sub-partners. Sub-partner is a third person. He is a third person with whom to agrees to share up the profit desired from the firm. He cannot take part in the management. He is not liable for business debt. Partner profit only. Partner profit only. This type of partners just is entitled to profit of the firm only, not bears any loss, and his liability unlimited. This type of partner cannot take part in the active management of the business firm. Liability unlimited, but share only profit. Next, secret partner. Secret partner. Who are the secret? Secret partners contribute capital, but not take part in the management, of the business firm. He shares profit and bears loss, but he is known to the cannot known to the outside of the world. This is the secret types of partners. 8 types of partners. Thank you.